Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are delighted to offer this handsome BSA Goldstar 650 Legacy, registered the 24th of January 2024 on a 73 plate with 2,051 miles and presented in the striking Silver Sheen. This one owner from new examples in superb condition and a credit to its former loving owner. Benefiting from service history and powered by the characterful 652cc single-cylinder engine, the Goldstar 650 is A2 compliant and delivers smooth, torquey performance along with that unmistakable classic thump. The Legacy Edition stands out with its timeless paintwork, premium finishes, and authentic retro design, a real head-turner wherever it goes, and is perfect for those who have recently passed their test or returning to biking. This handsome retro will leave us serviced where required with a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection, 12 months MOT, and remainder of the manufacturer's 3-year warranty. You can even extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for additional peace of mind. We are able to deliver this bike anywhere in the UK and offer a wide selection of finance options. Please note we have a small admin fee of £75 on all of our bikes. For more information, please contact us on 01424 44 44 48, email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk or WhatsApp 07359837799. Thank you for watching and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you for co.uk.